Did you know that your credit score can actually dictate which credit card you qualify for? So how do you choose one that is best suited for where you are in your credit score journey? Let's dive in. Before you choose a credit card, the first thing you need to understand is your credit score. Our credit score is essentially a number that represents your credit worthiness, and it ranges from 300 to 900 in India. The closer you are to 900, the better your credit score. Credit scores are based on your credit history, including factors like your payment history, amounts owed, and the length of credit history. Lenders, including banks and credit card issuers, use your score to evaluate how risky it is to lend you money. A high score suggests that you are financially responsible, and a lower score could raise concerns. Credit cards for low credit scores. If your credit score is on the lower end of the spectrum, 300 to 579, you might find it difficult to get approved for premium credit cards. Banks and credit card issuers consider this range as high risk. This means that they worry you may not be able to pay back the debt in time. But this does not mean that you won't be able to get a credit card. The best option for you would be a secured credit card. Secured cards require you to make a cash deposit upfront that acts as a collateral. This deposit reduces the bank's risk and allows you to rebuild your credit score depending on how wisely you use it. Credit cards for fair credit scores. 580 to 669. If your credit score falls between the 580 and 669 range, you are often what the issuers call as the fair or average credit score category. You may not have access to the top tier of reward cards, but you still have some decent options. At this credit level, you could qualify for basic credit cards or entry-level reward cards. These cards may offer perks like cashback or reward points, but they tend to have lower credit limits and higher interest rates. With consistent use, your score can improve, allowing you to move up to better card offers in the future. Credit cards for good credit scores. If your credit score is in the 670 to 749 range, then congratulations. You are in the good credit score category. With this score, you will have access to a wider variety of credit cards, including those with better reward programs, lower interest rates, and additional perks like travel benefits or purchase protections. You can qualify for cards that offer significant cashback, reward points, or even miles. However, be mindful of annual fees, which are common with higher tier reward cards. Make sure the rewards and benefits you are receiving outweigh the cost of the annual fee. Credit cards for excellent credit scores. You have access to some of the best credit cards in the market. Premium credit cards in this range might offer perks like free airport lounge access, complimentary travel insurance, higher reward rates on specific categories like dining or travel, and extensive purchase protection. Remember to keep your spending in check and make sure you continue paying your balance in full every month to maintain your top-tier credit score. Now let's look at some tips to boost your credit score. Your payment history is one of the most important factors in your credit score. Make sure to pay all your bills, credit cards, loans, and utilities on time. Keep your credit utilization low. Try to keep your credit card balances below 30% of your total credit limit. For example, if your credit limit is Rs 1 lakh, aim to keep your balance under Rs 30,000. Don't apply for too much credit at once. Each time you apply for a credit card, it results in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Avoid applying for too many cards within a short period. Use your credit cards regularly but responsibly. Regular use of your credit cards show lenders that you can handle credit responsibly. Just make sure you're paying off your balances in full each month. Check your credit report for errors. Mistakes on your credit report can bring your score down. Make it a habit to check your credit report regularly and report any errors to the credit bureau to have them corrected. Remember, no matter where your credit score is right now, there is a credit card that suits your needs. And as you manage your card wisely, your credit score will improve, opening the door to even better credit card options in the future. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.